Welcome to this Fixit channel, and there's just a little update that I want to bring to all of you still on Windows 7. Now, there were two cumulative updates that were pushed with security for August and September, and some people have mentioned that they can't install it. There's an error message. If you are the type of person that actually stops their update from time to time and then turns it back on to update to the latest security updates, for example, you might want to check closely because what's happening, and Microsoft has actually talked about the issue. It would seem that the two updates, the one for August and the one for September, don't install on Windows 7 because you're missing an update. There was an update called the Servicing Stack update. And that update actually is required for the two updates of August and September to install on your machines. The fact that you have that missing is creating a problem with the updates for August and September. So what I would say is check your updates. Make sure that you have the Servicing Stack update that should have appeared somewhere in July or early August, and that will actually apparently fix your problems. I'll be trying to get more details and maybe even issue a video with a link to that specific update if you have an issue, but Microsoft seems to point that it's pretty much that's causing problems. People that are actually installing everything on the updates, you guys apparently are okay. You don't have any problems with the latest updates. So we'll be keeping an eye on that and checking out what can be done. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.